Whoa. Oh, nice. You did it.
One and all. To keep your treasures safe and sound, smart lockers are supplied. Gringotts made and wizard-proofed for all you need.
Welcome, welcome. I'm Professor Aldous Dumbledore at my schools, where young people of the wizarding world come to study magic.
Not a zombie there. Yeah.
Starring Bela Lugosi. This was Egypt in The Mummy, starring Boris Karloff. Now, this was also seen as Pamplona, Spain, in City Slickers, starring Billy Crystal. They had a running of the bulls sequence right down this road we're driving on now. One of the bulls accidentally got loose, jumped over a fence, and crashed into a car that was giving a studio tour a little whiles away. So the next time we filmed the running of the bulls sequence here for Tom Cruise's film, Night and Day, we used CGI bulls. Those of you who are fans of contemporary sitcoms, though, you may recognize this area as the afterlife from The Good Place.
You, Eleanor Shellstone, are dead.
Cool.
This location, I've never ever seen this. You're in the good place.
I'm not supposed to be here. Can't risk going to the bad place.
Maybe it's not all that bad.
How can I help you?
What is the bad place?
Well, it doesn't.
Okay, everybody just stay calm. You know, California tremors, we get them all the time. I'm sure it's no issue. Oh my goodness. Looks like this might be the big one. It's hard to get you a pair of camera because it's transparent, you know. So if we let it run too long, sometimes we'll end up with a flood. I don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the water off with my button up here that turns the water off. I think I pressed the wrong button. Diego, do you know the right button to press to turn the water off? Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh no. It looks like we have a flash flood, everybody. Now, if you're wondering, you got Jeep number 29 from Jurassic World, where the Flintstones car. This was left-hand side is decorated in a very scary fashion. first film, Psycho, was the very first film to feature a Russian female. There it is. Okay. Hey, Norman, how's it going? How's it going, buddy? You doing okay? Uh-oh. Wow, that Norman Bates is a little psycho, if you ask me. You know, I'd be a little psycho too if this is what my backyard was. Take a look, we found airplane crash site section. Even storage. Real 747 airplane found at an airplane graveyard on the Mojave Desert. Somebody on board this train witnessed a crime committed by focus and faith and hope, so I just keep on hoping that I'll notice some change in my emotions. It may be dopamine in my brain, so I don't keep on waking up thinking I'm going insane. I'm thinking about my options. I could wait to die with pride, or I could maybe say, bitch, suck my dick and smoke some weed and hide. And I can do a lot of things to help myself. I can't decide, bitch, look how lucky we all are to get this high. Oh, what a time to be alive.